Today I will teach you HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. Firstly, we have studied about HCF. HCF is highest common factor, and the other name of HCF is greatest common divisor. So first, HCF is highest common factor, and next other name of HCF is greatest common divisor. Let's explain it with example. We have to take two numbers 20 and 45. Firstly, we have to factorize of these numbers in prime factor. What is prime factor? The number which is exactly divisible by 1 and itself. That is a prime number or prime factor. So 20. Here is 20 ones are 20, 0, 2 5s are 10 and 5 ones are 5. So prime factor of 20 are 2, 2 and 5. So same as we factorize 45, it's not divisible by 2, so we have to take 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again it's divisible by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So our factors are 20 is equal to 2, 2 and 5, and factors of 45 is 3, 3 and 5. The number which is common in both the factors, that is our HCF. Here is 5 is common in both the factors, so our HCF is 5. Okay. Now we have also say the greatest common divisor is 5. Okay. Now another method to find the HCF is division method. How can we divide? Here is 45. We have to divide it by 20. 22 is 40. Remainder is 5. In second step, we can do. Here is 20 a divisor, but in second step 20 is our dividend, and the number that is remainder, that is our divisor. 5 4s are 20, it's divided by completely, so the number which is last divisor, that is called HCF. So our HCF is 5. Here is 5, 5 is the last divisor, so HCF is 5. So we have two methods to find the highest common factor HCF, that is the prime factor method, and other one is division method. This is our HCF. Now we have to study about LCM. We have to study about LCM. LCM is least common multiplier. Least common multiplier. Okay. So we can explain LCM by take an example. We have to take a number 15 and other number is 45. Okay. So we have to find LCM also in two types. Firstly, we have to division method, and second one is prime factorization method. Firstly, we have to division method, that is 15 and 45. Take both numbers. Here is not divisible by 2, so we have to take next number is 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Here is 5 is not divisible by 3, but 15 is divisible by 3, so we have again divide by 3. 5, 3 5s are 15. The number which is not divisible, this number, that is taken same as it is. So now it is divisible by 5, 5 ones are 5. These numbers 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. This is our LCM. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So our LCM is 45. Next, we have also find LCM by prime method. Here is 15. Its prime factors are 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So factor of 15 are 3 and 5. Same we have to factorize 45. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So our factors of 15 are 3 multiply 3 and 5. Firstly, here is LCM. Firstly, we have to take a number that is common in both the factors. Here is 5. 5 is common in both the numbers. Write it only one time. Next, here is 3. Here is also 3. So 3 is also common in both the factors. It have also write it again only one time. Next, the number which is not common in both the number, we have also take that numbers. Here is 3, it's not common but remain. Here is 3. So we have to multiply these numbers. 5 3s are 15 or 15 3s are 45. So our LCM is 45. So we have to find LCM both the methods, a division method and prime factorization method. So it's our LCM. Next one is if we have to given any number in fraction. So how we can find the LCM and HCF of the numbers? Now I will give an example. Let's, here is 3 by 4 and 5 by 8 and also 7 by 3, 7 by 8. Okay. Now, if we have to find HCF, we can say HCF of upper numbers. HCF of 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7 and divided by LCM of 4, 8, 8. This is our HCF. So what is LCM of 3, 5 and 7? 3, 5 and 7 LCM is 1 and LCM of 4, 8, 8. So our LCM of 4, 8, 8 is 8. So our LCM is 1 by 8. If we have to find the LCM, we can do LCM of 3, 5 and 7 and LCM of 4, 8 and 8. Okay. So now our LCM of 3, 5, 7. What is LCM? 3 5s are 15 or 15 7s are 105. Okay. And HCF of 4, 8, 8. If you don't know how to find HCF, I can solve. Then 4, 8 and HCF of 4, 8, 8 what is? Here is 4. So our LCM is 105 by 4. So it's our LCF and LCM. Thank you students.